So guys, I know this is a different kind of intro, mainly because it is windy outside, and I don't think anything I can do with the mic is going to enable you to hear it. Today we need to fix the roof on the cottage. Last night we got a lot of winds, and today it is, oh, it's bitter. It's downright cold. I think we were in almost the single digits last night. So it is not getting warm today. And while we have the morning sun on the roof, these shingles are going to be as pliable as they're going to be all day. So we're going to get this done as soon as we can. So come on over, let me show you what we're getting ready to do. If you guys look up on the roof, you'll see a few shingles missing. That's what we're going to try to fix. Let me show you what it looks like today. Definitely a beautiful day. Super bright, super cold. Now we're pooping in tall grass. Sorta. You like my makeshift chicken ladder?
Yeah.
I agree with you.
We counted last year. We actually counted everybody that came in.
Yeah.
We were under 500 for Saturday. So for us, it was a very, very relaxed day, which was good. I mean, you go from 2,500 to 500.
Yeah. I could see that being nice. I don't have this problem.
Plus, we had surf to sell. I finally sold out the week before Christmas.
Really?
I had surf all year long.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, you still got your same price, right?
Yeah.
I mean, who cares what you... Ah, how about that? Ha ha ha. Well, you know, I didn't know if you'd be here or not, so I went ahead and put on my camera. That way, in case I fall,
oh,
somebody
sorry.
knows what's going on.
Here's the evidence.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this fool. Ah. Last time I did this was the test like 3 days after we moved here, and Jeff had me on a rope. That would be called stupid. That stupid does. But I was rappelling off a rope. He was on this side anchored off. I was on the other side just running up and down. And they're always the ones at the top. You're not gonna lose one on the bottom for nothing. All right. So.
All right, I'll go clean out the sugar house.
All right, brother, we have fun. You are the man. It's always good to see you there, Santa Claus.
Have fun.
You tell her I'm only going to be a little while.
Oh, no, she's good, man. That's what I said. I think we're going to roll on up there.
All right, cool.
How's the, should I drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll see when I leave is when the guests are here. I probably only have 15 minutes up here. And then I'm going to start packing up, and if they show up, then I'm just going to take off and go up and load out later.
Hello.
Hi.
How are ya?
I'm having an interesting day.
Oh, it's beautiful up here.
There's no doubt about that. Okay. Now, I won't fall through that one this time. Oh boy, maybe.
Easy.
I haven't scared myself like that in a long time.
How old are you, Kevin?
54.
Are you good? Gosh.
I just turned 54.
Man. You're doing well, sir.
Yep. Not right this second though.
Nah. What's this? Tell me where.
Chicken wing. That's it. That was a lot harder than I thought it would be. All right, I don't want to do that again anytime soon. Ooh, that was crazy. So we got it all fixed. Now we're gonna go do a maple syrup tour. In case you guys didn't know, we're Virginia's only organic producer of maple syrup. And we produce organic maple syrup, also organic maple sugar, and a single barrel rye whiskey maple syrup, which is pretty cool. You guys like what you're seeing? Hold on. Give me that thumbs up. We'll catch you on another video. Until next time, God bless you guys. All right, guys, this is my makeshift chicken ladder. So if you can see it, looks like it works pretty good. It worked good. Well, you saw me on the roof. So what this thing does is this board right here pushes down against that so that as the board down there is up on the top of the roof and this is pulling this direction, it won't flip and come down. And I'll have to say, for something I put together in a couple of minutes, that worked like a champ. Of course, the pallet there didn't do so well. But that's it, guys. There it is, guys. That's my makeshift chicken ladder. I guess it's called a chicken ladder, but it worked pretty well.